Hello. Hi, everybody, and welcome to Sing It for Kids. Me, along with the rest of the My Little Angel team, would like to welcome you guys and thank you for coming today and supporting our cause. We would especially like to thank our sponsors, U.S. Bank, the 158th and Walker Branch, as well as Merrill Lynch, Brett Fisher, and Matt Fulberg. My Little Angel is an organization founded on a dream that all children deserve equal treatment, regardless of their economical conditions. And all of you guys are helping make this possible. So, without further ado, I would like to introduce Jyoti Auntie and Sharon Uncle, who are going to be our MCs for the rest of the afternoon. So please enjoy and thank you for coming.
Good afternoon, friends. We would like to welcome you all for this afternoon's program. I would like to thank Subhashji and Rajan for giving Sharad and me this opportunity to present this wonderful program to you. I met Sharad for the first time and it's been great knowing him and working with him. And Sharad has lived in Portland for 9 years and he moved from Los Angeles and he's really liking it here except for the rain.
Thank you, Jyoti. And if 9 years seem long, consider this. Jyoti is a veteran. She has been in Portland for 27 years. And for those of you who don't know me, I'll tell you that this is a little longer than my age itself. I was kidding. Jyoti has participated in a lot of cultural events. She has coordinated the whole ICA event herself. She has choreographed a lot of dances. She has acted, she has sung. And one of her big passion is cooking. And she has been teaching Portlanders how to cook good Indian food for last 14 years. So 14, not 40. So I'm proud to share the stage with Jyoti. And Jyoti, shall we start now?
Yes, but before we start the program, I would like to make a few requests. If you could please take a moment and silence your cell phones. And if parents could please keep an eye on their kids and keep them in sight and safe. That is a request from us.
So now that you have done that, our first program is Bhajan, sung by Nisha ji and her team. And the lyrics of the bhajan are Thumak Chalat Ramchal. I'm sure a lot of you have heard that when you were a child. This is set in Tal Dadra, which is a 6-beat rhythmic scale. And the participants are Avni Sharma, Raina Patel, Kia Pandya, Vari Singh, Anushka Nayak, Hasvi Patel, and Sia Kulkarni. And they are accompanied on tabla by Stuti Garg and on majira by Utkarsh Yadav. A big round of applause for the bhajan. Thank you.